And in terms of tools, do you have any favorites that you use, or is it like an Excel based, or what's your sort of like best recommendation to start off the process?
Yeah, I've really used Excel. I've used other programs in the past, but there's something just frankly just really simple about Excel. And then of course I'll use so the CRMs I use are in FusionSoft, or I think they're also known as Keep. So in FusionSoft, I really love. I feel like they do really optimal reporting and a great job with regards to organizing leads. Active Campaign is another CRM that I'll use. But yeah, with regards to tracking, I keep it also on the side, because if I have two, it helps me to sort of compare and contrast. Sometimes there might be an error in either. So it's good to have two.